So I figured I'd do an update video from way back when I did the one-way bearing, kind of little upgrade. I replaced those with some aftermarket bearings, which some forum guys claimed helped the shifting, and I can say it absolutely did. It didn't make it perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better if you combine that with adjusting the shift lever down here. From the factory, they're not set very well, so I just figured I'd show that. So obviously, I mean, it's not going to be perfect. The dogs and the transmission are only going to accept so much. I mean, you're still going to get caught occasionally. I think that's just the nature of the design. But obviously, like you can see, it definitely improved the ease of shifting, especially up like into neutral and up into high and low. It just bangs right through them now.